Welcome to Backend Simplified. Our mission is to simplify the backend world for you. Let's start our video. And today we are going to talk about Bun JS. Bun is an all-in-one toolkit for JavaScript and TypeScript apps. The first stable release of Bun was launched in September 2023. It's written in Zig and powered by JavaScript core under the hood. There are three main reasons for developing Bun. The first one is speed. According to their documentation, the Bun start process is 4 times faster than Node.js. The second one is to create an all-in-one toolkit for JavaScript. And the last one is to improve today's JavaScript ecosystem. Before we explore Bun's main features, it's important to know that Bun is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing ecosystem, without requiring extensive project refactoring. Here are the main features. The first one is speed, as we mentioned before. The second one is ESM and CommonJS compatibility. You can work with both of them in the same file. If you'd like to learn more, we have a video on this specific topic. The third one is that Bun has built-in package manager that's designed to be a dramatically faster replacement for NPM and Yarn. The next one is TypeScript and JSX support. You can directly execute JSX, TS, and TSX files. Bun's transpiler converts this to a vanilla JavaScript before execution. And the last one is built-in, jest-compatible test runner. If you want to hear more, watch our full video.